Aphorism 12, Organon of Medicine. It is the morbidly affected vital force alone that produces diseases, so that the morbid phenomena perceptible to our senses express at the same time all the internal change. That is to say, the whole morbid derangement of the internal dynamics. In a word, they reveal the whole disease. Consequently, also the disappearance under treatment of all the morbid phenomena and of all the morbid alterations that differ from the healthy vital operations certainly affects and necessarily implies the restoration of the integrity of the vital force and therefore the recovered health of the whole organism. Footnote 1 states how the vital force causes the organism to display morbid phenomena, that is, how it produces disease. It would be of no practical utility to the physician to know, and therefore it will forever remain concealed from him. Only what is necessary for him to know of the disease and what is fully sufficient for enabling him to cure it has the Lord of Life revealed to his senses.